In this video, I'll show you how you can display ping and FPS in League of Legends. Now, as you can see here in the top right corner, I have my FPS and my ping. Now, the way that you can turn this on and off is simply by coming into hotkeys, find display, and you should see a toggle FPS display, and you can choose a button. Now, if I press Ctrl F, you'll see that it disappears up here, and now it's gone. And if I do Ctrl F, it's gonna come back again. Now, that's basically how you can see your FPS and your ping. Now, my FPS is capped right now, so if you want, you can come to Interface or Game, somewhere in here, and you can uncap it if you want higher FPS, obviously, but I like playing on 144. But that's how you do it. You can simply turn it off and turn it on again. So that's how you check it, guys. Really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.